Yes, yes, it's good. Yes. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, who did not show it to me since some time? Ritvika, show me your painting. Karthika, Stuti, show me how's it going. Tarun, it's looking good. Karthika, the brown line that I asked you to do on the sides now has become too prominent. It should be very light. To make it light, you can dilute it a lot. You can use very less paint and a lot of water. Can you see how light it should be? If you're using watercolor, you can still do it. You can dip your brush without any paint in water. Only take watery brush, that too not too watery, and try to remove it. Keep on wiping on a tissue paper or a cloth. And just try. Vaishnavi, when I'm speaking, please keep your mic on mute, because then otherwise it's a lot of disturbance for everyone. So just remove that, Karthika, and keep on wiping on a rough cloth. It will become lighter. It should be very light. Ritvika, show me your painting. Okay, Ritvika, it's nice. Stuti, how much ever it is done, you can show me once so that I can tell you if it's going fine. Okay, Stuti, it's fine. Samriti, what's happening? Show me. Oh, you have to be careful, my dear. How come grey came over there? The pencil got spread. Yeah, you get to be careful. Seashells. Where are the seashells? The top of the girl. This part, no? Huh. Okay, have you done until here? First you show me that. So you show me, na? Then I can tell you how you can make it well. If you don't show me, you will not get the improvised version tips. Samriddhi, mic on mute. So Vandita, normally everyone... Ritvika, Stuti, mic on mute. Normally everyone keep their videos on so that I can continuously monitor how is it going, and that's how you learn in a class, right? That you get suggestions every time. Wait, Vaishnavi. So, Vandita, you need to cover all the white spaces. There are a lot of white spaces around the hand. You have to cover all of that. Then do peach color in the skin first, then only come to the dress part. Okay? So you keep your video on so that I can check every now and then and I can suggest you to make it better. This is pink color that I am doing in the dress. So you wipe it off with paper, or not paper, cloth. Just dab it, okay? Do not swipe it. You're putting way too much water than required. You should do it very gently. Vihan, yes, it's fine, Vihan. You're using too much water. Vihan, please don't use this much water. It's almost dripping. And Vihan, you have used lot of water, lot of dark color over here. So you take your brush only with water, very little bit of water, and try like you are wiping off paint from this part. Try it like that. But don't take too much water, it will spoil. Nice, Prisha. It's good. Neat. Now you need, now do the dress, the accessory. Yeah. Red नहीं, pink है ये. So all of you start doing the dress with me if you have completed until here. I'm using pink color. I am going to leave few cells over here where I'm going to do another color to make it look like an eyes. Yeah, do that. Sure. So for few of the portions over here, I'm going to leave some space so that I can do a different color over there to make a pretty combination. Yes? Right, that's correct. Vihan, any doubt? Yes? Sorry? Sure, Kartika, no problem. Even I will suggest you how to do it at the end, okay? Don't worry. You do this much first. Yes. Yeah, use that. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I am going to use purple only. You can use purple. Right. Can anybody tell me how do you make a light purple color? Who can tell me? Huh? No, if you don't have purple, then yes, Prisha. Yeah. It's okay, dear. No problem. It's coming out neat, so don't worry. For the dress, pink color. Yes, pink color for the dress. Yeah, so imagine you don't have purple color, okay? Now tell me, how can you make light purple color? White and... Okay, Stuti, wait. Okay. So, see, initially, Stuti, you said white and blue, right? It will make light blue. And Riyansh, initially you said white and pink. It will make light pink. Any color, if you add white... Yeah, I heard that, the later answer. I'm coming to that also. Vihan, tell me your answer. That's right, yeah. So I want to tell you all, if we mix white in any color, it will make the color lighter. Okay. Now you all might be knowing that we make a purple color by mixing red with blue. Now if you want to make light purple color, simply you will mix red blue and white. It will become lighter. Or you can use pink and blue. It's the same thing, na? When we mix white and red, we get pink. We are mixing blue to pink. It's the same thing. Yes. Enjoy. Use that. Then you can add white to it, or you can use directly, no problem. Do slowly, all of you. Yeah, you can use. So here we have used brown color, and we used a lot of water also in the paint so that it became very shaded brown. That's the only thing. Use a thin brush to do smaller portions. Okay, if you want to use, you can do that. Yeah, you can use that. By mixing white to red. Then use whichever is available, it's fine. Brown for the dress? You were asking for the hair. Okay, hair I've used brown only. My brown, I don't know why it's appearing little orangish because of the water content maybe, but it's absolutely brown. Did not mix anything to it. Yeah, it's nice. But you don't leave any white spaces, okay? There are a lot of white spaces now. Try to fill that. Yeah, so you can fill them now also. Fill all the white spaces and make it very smooth. For the last tail also, you will do the color of the dress. It's mauve. It's called mauve color. Yeah, you can use. Yes, yes, you can use. Yes, Vihan. Let me see. Vihan, are these looking very different? All this section of the dress, are they looking quite different in your dress? I mean, can you distinguish them, or they got all mixed up? You did not paint them section by section? You should do that. All of you should do that. For every part such which is like section, you have to paint it section by section so that it looks different. Okay? Never mind. Now if you have done, we will separate them by doing outlining. But remember always, you have to do that section by section only. Okay? Now, you can take a thin black pen and do the face features with that first. Very, very slowly, okay? Because this is the main thing. If you hurry up and if you spoil it, you will be not able to correct it. Please very slowly do the face features. I will zoom it for you. Oops, 1 minute. So you have to do the face part. You have to be very slow. And the innermost circle will be white, the middle circle will be black. Use your thin black pen, your sketch pen, marker, whatever you have, and do it very neatly and slowly. Because we have already painted this part, we are safe to use the sketch pen. It won't spread. Rihan, mic on mute. And don't use very thick pen because it should look very delicate. That you can do it only with a thin pen. Only for the face features you need to use thin pen. For rest of the area you can use your sketch pen, your thick sketch pen. Do not touch the part that is wet, you have recently painted. You have to be careful. Keep on rotating your book to get the correct angle. And see, very neatly you have to do the outlining, and that will make your drawing look beautiful. Yeah, Stuti, it's fine. Don't do it for the dress, the outlining. Don't do it for the dress right now. It must be wet. Instead, we will do the hair first because that's dry. If you use your marker on your wet paint, it won't work. I will share a picture with you, Stuti, then. You have another class, is it? Oh. Okay, no problem. You can leave now if you want. Okay. Sure. So all of you do the outline for the hair part which we drew with our pencil. Okay. First do that much only, then I will tell you how to do shading using the black color. For small parts, use a thin black pen, like for earrings, the star. For such small parts, you use thin pen, and for bigger outline, you can use the thick pen. Not very thick also, but the sketch pen. Show me your drawing first. Okay. Done. Then you can, if your below part is also dry, you can do outline for that also. Okay, Vihan. Vihan, your paint got spread around here. Be really slow while doing outlining, everyone. Yes. Yeah, I will tell you about the background. Please wait. Yes. No, you use your marker only. You do the outlining really neatly and slowly for the mermaid. Also black lines for the fin lines that we have done. Yeah, very nice. It's looking good. You can do the jewelry, then the dress, then outlining, the face part. Yes. Okay, fine, no problem. So now you can do the outlining of the eyes and nose, that too very slowly with a thin black pen. Yes, Prisha? हाँ, ब्लैक पेन से बनाना है आईज नोज बहुत स्लोली. बट बेटा फर्स्ट आप फेस बनाएंगे ना, फेस पेन से किया है, मैंने भी ब्लैक पेन से किया है, आपको भी फेस ब्लैक पेन से ही करना है. Yes, Neela, what were you saying? It's not working in the dress, then you can also do a very thin brush, use a very thin brush and black paint. Can you do that? Yeah. But be very, very slow, okay? Ritvika, you are not doing? Wow, why are you always ahead of me? Show me how you have done. Where is the outline of the dress? What have you used to do it? Ritvika, answer me by unmuting your mic. Yes, okay Stuti. Bye. Yes Ritvika, please wait. Prisha, please wait. Yeah, Ritvika, so what have you used to do the outlining? Black what? Paint, pen, what? Color pencil. Okay. Then you have not even painted the tail. You're doing very fast, Ritvika. Instead of doing it this fast, better do slowly and nicely. There is lot of white space that you have left also. Please try to cover those and make it look neat. Yes, Prisha, now tell me. Tell me now. हाँ, आपको क्राउन करना है. ठीक है, आप क्राउन को व्हाइट छोड़ दीजिए और स्टार को येलो कीजिए. Now I want everyone to pay attention to my screen first. Mics on mute, everyone. Pay attention to my screen. How you have to make the hair shading. After doing this base color, you have to use black color. You can use a sketch pen also. If you don't have a sketch pen, you can use a marker. You can use even black paint, but we're using very thin brush. Then you have to make very, very thin line along with the outline of the hair. Very thin line. It can be incomplete. You don't have to like join it anywhere. You can just make lines along the outline in this way. Please do 2-3 lines and then show me before you do the whole thing. Don't continue to do it wrong way. Show me, Neela. I can't see. Bring it down. Neela, the line should be very thin. For this part also you have done very thick black line. Please use the brush very slowly and use only the pointed tip of the brush. Then only you will get the thin line. And very slowly, Neela. Don't do it fast. Yes, but very thick. Make it thin. Yeah. Any reason specific? Because the face got spoiled? Okay dear, don't worry about the face. Na? It's okay, you are learning only. So that part you now got to know na, how to do. But if rest of it is also looking fine, it's fine. Also about the face, I will tell you how to fix it at the end, okay? If anything else is going wrong, please ask me, I will help you. So you have to make lines using black color. Please use sketch pen if you have. And don't make thick lines. Make thin lines very slowly and neatly. Make them all along the hairline that we drew with our pencil before. Please don't be in a hurry. That will spoil it. You don't have to be competitive in this. You don't have to be very fast to make it first. There is no competition. No. Please don't continue to do wrong way. Your black line, please show it to me after you do 2-3 lines. so I can tell you if it is going correct. And don't go inside the other body parts while you do the lines. You can see my screen, please, how it should look like. Don't make them too thick, too many, too short. You completed the whole thing? Show me. Okay, so now you're going to do the outline, right? And what about the hair black lines? Show me, I can't see. See, you have to do it like this. Can you see my screen? Have you done it like this? I can't see the lines in between. Have you done that? Yeah, so show me. Now you're telling me how you are doing it, is it? So that, okay, show me again. Show me again, please. Yeah, just show it to me. How is it going, so I can tell you if it's going correct. So these lines, which is, and what about the face outline and all? I don't think you have done that. I can't see it, the face. Show me again. Where is the chin outline? There is no black line I can see. See, if you see this one, the face curve part is looking very prominent. For your drawing, I can't see that. No, I'm talking about black color line. Only black color line I'm talking about, that I can't see in your drawing. Then you can do it 2-3 times to make it darker, because if it won't look like black, then there is no point, no? Your drawing will not look bright at all. Yeah. Yes, Ritvika, your hairline, yes, it's fine. The brown color, why you have spread it outside? And if it has gone outside, you could have done the outline according to that, right? So that the color looks inside the line. Getting my point? And why is there white space over here? You can fill that up also with brown. Yeah? Try to do it more neatly. Vihan, show me. The black line? Yeah, it's going fine, Vihan. You can do the black line more. The black line of the hair you have completed. Show me. Okay, what have you used to do those lines? I see few lines are dark, few are light. Can you make all of them dark, like those 2-3 lines? Can you make all of the black lines dark of the hair? Yeah, but do it with a very, very fine tip, using only the tip, so that you get very thin lines. That's good. Yeah, use that. It should. Yes. Others, you can ask me if you have any doubt, if you are able to make the hairlines properly. Okay, Neela, it's nice. Yes, Ritvika. I checked yours, Ritvika. Those who have completed, please get a small cotton ball. Get a small cotton ball. We are going to use small cotton ball to do the background part first. Get a small cotton ball. Yes. Yeah. Oh wow, that's cute. Okay. Nice. Tarun, your drawing is looking good. All of you. Yes. Okay dear, it's good. Just that your outlines are not much visible, so you can do that for the dress also. The black lines are not looking bright, so make sure you do those lines bright. No dear, it's not about visibility. You have done that with very light black pen, so it's not much visible. Okay, fine. Okay Vihan, it's fine. Cotton ball. Take out some blue paint in your palette and add lot of water to it. Okay, like a lot of water so that it becomes very watery. And then dip your cotton ball in that watery white blue paint and dab it around the whole background, leaving the mermaid carefully. Very watery blue paint you have to use, okay? Light blue. Make sure you use very watery paint. Then dip your cotton ball in that and dab it around carefully. Don't go inside the mermaid. And you can also save the plants and the stones part as much as possible. It's a very simple and very nice technique to do the background. For water especially, because with cotton you get the effect of water very nicely. Just make sure you dab it. Make sure you dab your cotton ball and not swipe it. By dabbing you get patches which looks beautiful for water. Yes Prisha, it's nice. Good job. Here, if you are not very sure, you can skip the black lines, no problem. Just do as much as we have done with pencil. Do that much outline and then it's fine. Yeah. Now the background. Light blue color, add lot of water, make it very watery. Dip a cotton ball and then, yes, cotton ball. Yes, Neela, it's fine. Yeah. You can add white to your blue and make light blue. See the effect you get in this way. It's amazing. It looks like really water natural effect, and it takes very less time to cover even a very big background in this way. So So this technique you can actually use in various ways, especially for making water. Yes. So that's what I told you. Mic on mute. Okay, who can tell me how can you make grey color? Tell me, Prisha. That's right. All of you know that. Absolutely. Good job. Yes, that's right. Good job. For the stones, you have to make grey color by mixing black and white. Yes? Light blue is not coming. You have added too much water then. Add more paint and your light blue will come nice. Add more paint to your light blue color, Neela. Yes. Silver will not look like silver once it's done for such a bigger part. I think so. You can try once if you want. If it doesn't appear much, then you can use grey over it. No problem. Yes. Yeah, that's what. It will not appear much, but if you want, you can try and then cover it up with grey later. Yeah. So use grey color to cover the stones in this way. And don't get confused with this white spot. It just fell down accidentally. I have not done anything that you have to do over there. For using grey color in the stones, you can use a medium sized brush. It's a bigger area to fill, but make sure you do it inside the shape only and don't go outside. Rehan, you can mute your mic, please. Come on, all of you, don't waste your time sitting. Do it along with me. Do it every step at a time. Yes, Neela, what happened? The blue color. So Neela, let it be. You can use a pencil color or a crayon to do that. If your paint is not showing now, use a pencil color crayon later and do the background before. Yeah, right now you can do the plants and the stones with me. For the plants, use any green color that you have. No problem. But use paints to do that. Use thin brush. Be slow. Once you do slowly, you will get good result. Vandita, can I check your drawing? I haven't seen it since long. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. Show me. Yeah, okay. So show me the other part. It's okay. Remember all the things while painting, that you don't use your brushes when it's dry. You keep on taking paints in your brush. Add water whenever it's very thick, and use the tip of your brush so that it's under your control. And also paint it section by section. Like if you see my screen now, I'm painting this plant, no? Don't paint it like all together once. Paint it one plant at a time, section by section. It will look, 1 minute and explain. Then only it will look like different portions. If you paint it all together once, then only a black outline can distinguish it, which should not be necessary for every part. So it's important that you paint it section by section for such areas. Yes, tell me now. You are done with plants and stones and everything? Oh wow, before me also, huh? Again, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Do slowly. Show me the plants close up. The stones, I see a lot of space white left. You can you see that too? Yeah, so you have to be very careful with that. You should do it neatly, not in a hurry to just finish it off soon. When even I have not. Yeah, that's perfectly fine, but I keep on telling you all at every point how you can improvise it. Yeah. Yes, that's fine. Yeah. While doing the background, make sure you use very watery paint. Yeah. Okay. We have not yet completed, dear. I will tell you when to leave. Yeah, so once you complete, then you can wash all together. For the bubbles, all of you use a thick white paint. Mic on mute, please. Vaishnavi. Yeah. So now see, for the bubbles, I will suggest you to use a thick paint. Why? Because if you will use thin paint, now it will not be visible. Okay. Use thick paint, then your bubbles will be very brightly visible in the painting. Do everything slowly. You don't have to hurry up. It's okay if you are still doing the mermaid part, but just keep on doing nicely. Yes, Ryansh. Yes, please. Yeah, it's going correct. Just that add little bit more water to your blue color, okay? And then cover the whole space with water part. Yeah. the stars, you can do again thick paint with yellow. Why thick paint? Because when we have a paint in the background, now if we do watery paints, it will not be visible. So use thick paint for such kind of effect. Remember all those things whenever you do painting. It will help you a lot. For the bubbles, after you have done white, give some time for it to dry and then just give one tiny curvy stroke with black on the sides so that it looks like the shine over there. And there you go, it's completed. Very vibrant and beautiful painting of a mermaid. Yes, it's okay, you can do it later, no problem. You can show it to me in the next class then. Why are you going so slow, Samriti? I saw you sitting in between for a long time. But that shouldn't take this long, na? I actually think that you wasted some time in between.